If you have plans to head to Grand Haven, expect some big backups. The Michigan Department of Transportation started construction on the US-31 drawbridge, reducing traffic on both sides to one lane.
MDOT told drivers to expect an additional 30 minutes for their commute, but as News 8's Whitney Purdy reports, some routes are even longer than that.
Take a look at this line of cars here on South Beacon Boulevard. This is the rush hour traffic. Some drivers tell me they've been here for 45 minutes, some for an hour, and we're still about a mile away from the drawbridge. The road into Grand Haven is lined with
What am I, about 9 cars from that corner? And I'm going on 31 minutes to move 9 cars.
After car.
A mess. We've been here for 45 minutes.
After car.
I have heard from coworkers that it's been taking a while, and I thought, well, I'll give it a shot, leave a little early today and see how it goes, but it's bad.
The Michigan Department of Transportation started a bridge improvement project on the US-31 drawbridge Sunday. Northbound and southbound traffic over the bridge has been reduced to one lane. There will also be closures to the exits at 3rd Street and M104, causing standstill traffic for many.
They say to add 30 minutes onto your time, but this is way longer than 30 minutes.
In fact, GPS estimated an hour to travel about a mile this afternoon. Check out this time lapse. 10 minutes goes by and cars didn't budge.
I've been here just in line, waiting, watching the snow fall. Waiting to pick up my son.
Precious Tillman, one of many caught in the jam today.
Like I said, hopefully now one of my kids in the back have to use the restroom, and I'm glad I brought snacks along because, oh my God, I've never endured nothing like this before, ever.
The good news, there are detours along M231 and I-96. And if you're map savvy, there are also the back roads. But of course, if you've got time, you can always take the scenic route.
Let's just wait in line. I'm in no hurry. We'll get there when we get there, and that's all we can do.
MDOT is warning drivers that this will likely be the scenario through December. Reporting here in Grand Haven, Whitney Burney, News 8.